How to convert GGives to GCash Wallet using Shopee. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Shopee application right here, and you also want to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. From here, just navigate through the Me section, which is the Me category right here, and once inside you can then go ahead and see all of the categories that we can go ahead and take a look at. From here, you simply want to go ahead and click on the Shopee Pay icon, and once inside, just head over to the Cash In application right here. But if you don't want to do this manually, you can just head over to one of the items on your shopping cart right here, and right after that, just go ahead and click on Checkout. Right after clicking on Checkout, click on the Shopee Pay button, and it will redirect you to the Shopee Pay Cash In right here. Just go ahead and select GCash, and from there you will be able to select the GGives option. Right after putting some balance on your Shopee Pay right here, just head over to the Shopee Pay once more, click on Send Money, and you will be able to send the money from your Shopee Pay to your GCash wallet. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.